Sanibonani molweni. Yho, ndihlelwe yile ngoma kaBhudlusanda Betsha ithi kuyabonelelwa. I've been listening to it, honey, but now it sounded different. I guess it's my season for it, honey. Ihambe ithi asehli kule ntaba futhi asisuki la. Dani picture yomuntu obambeleleyo entweni. Izimo zifika but still ubambelele. Ithi kuyenyukela, kuyahambeka, kuhanjwa kahle. Kodwa at the end kuyabonelelwa. Ziyajika izinto kule ntaba. Meaning that eliqhina liyenyukela but lifuna umuntu ohamba kakuhle. Eliqhina liyenyukela but lifuna umuntu obambelelayo. Kuyabonelelwa at the end. I-success is guaranteed, but it needs someone who's patient, ohamba kakuhle, nowenza izinto kakuhle. This song is very deep. It's very deep. There's a lot that is said kule ngoma. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Niyazi uba kuyaphileka, kuyahambeka. Loo ntaba ukuyo, loo ntaba uyihambayo, yintaba ehambekayo. Loo ntaba uphila kuyo, yintaba ephilekayo. But ifuna umuntu ohamba kakuhle. Ifuna umuntu omnyamezelayo. Umuntu obambelayo othi andehli apha futhi andisuki kule ntaba. Nibe nosuku oluhle.